Here I have Huawei Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then enter system and update section, and go to the reset, then select reset phone, then tap reset phone yet one more time, and at last tap reset phone one time again, and after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.